Let's update your profile picture. You can do it in two ways. First, open the profile menu by clicking on your current profile picture or default avatar. Clicking on your name will send you straight to the image updates page, or get there through your profile instead. You can also do same by clicking on your current profile picture from the main menu or clicking on your name. Now, click the folder icon. Navigate on your device to select the new image. Make sure the image is clear and professional, as this will be used across the system for identification, or just be you. When done, click on Update. You'll either see a confirmation message or be redirected to the dashboard, depending on where the update page was accessed. There you have it, your new beautiful profile picture right on your dashboard. Don't forget to explore other tutorials for more features of the school management system. Thank you for watching.